Hi, welcome to TunesKit. If your iPhone does not turn on suddenly, and the iPhone screen has frozen, doesn't respond when you touch it. But don't worry, today we'll show you how to fix your iPhone won't turn on. Method 1. Charge your iPhone. There is a problem you may not notice that your iPhone battery is low power, it turn off automatically and won't turn on again. Or there is something wrong with your cable, so just charge your iPhone with an original charging cable, and wait for more than 15 minutes, then try to turn your iPhone on again. But if this method not work, or you're sure your iPhone have enough power, then try the next method. Force restart iPhone. When something's wrong in iPhone, force restarting is the easiest way to fix iPhone without a computer. For iPhone XS, press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, then press and hold the side button. When the Apple logo appears, release the button, then you can see the iPhone is fixed. If this method not work, you can try the following method with a computer. Method 3. Fix iPhone with iTunes. Just connect iPhone with a cable, and open the iTunes. Once recognized, then there will be a pop-up window shows on iTunes screen. Just click the restore. Then iTunes will start restore your iPhone automatically, and it will also update your iPhone. But restore iPhone will erase your data. If you haven't back up your data, and you don't want to erase your date, I'd like to introduce the TunesKit iOS system recovery, without data loss. Step 1. Connect iPhone to computer. Launch TunesKit iOS system recovery, then click the start button. Step 2. Select standard mode. Here you can see the standard mode won't cause any data loss, and ensure the device has enough power. Then click the next button. Step 3. Download firmware package. Ensure the given information is corresponding to your device, then download the firmware package. Step 5. Repair iPhone. When the download is complete, click the repair. The TunesKit iOS system recovery will start to fix your iPhone. Just make sure your device is connected to the computer, and wait several minutes, your device will be fixed. If the above method does not work on your iPhone, it is very likely that your iPhone's hardware has been damaged. Then you can go get Apple support. Access support.apple.com. Choose Apple Repair. Follow the instructions to get help. That's it for today's video. By the way, we provide a 15% discount exclusive to our YouTube fans. Just go for a try. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know what tutorials you'd like to see next in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.